On hot summer days or after strenuous exercise, many people look for a drink to hydrate their body and give them energy. Watermelon juice is one of the best natural options, combining delicious taste with high health benefits. It contains a high percentage of water, as well as a range of vitamins and minerals essential for body health. Some of the benefits of watermelon juice include: 1. Effective hydration. Watermelon is characterized by its high water content, with water comprising more than 90% of its composition. This makes it ideal for replenishing lost fluids. A cup of diced watermelon contains about 139 milliliters of water, which helps hydrate the body after sun exposure or when feeling thirsty. 2. Electrolyte replenishment. Watermelon juice helps restore the body's natural electrolyte balance, which is lost through sweating. These include magnesium and potassium, two essential elements for muscle and brain health. Potassium helps support the body's cells and maintain fluid balance. 3. Rich in essential nutrients. Watermelon juice contains important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, lutein, and folic acid. These elements contribute to healthy skin and eyes and strengthen the immune system. 4. Positive effects on lowering blood pressure. Watermelon juice contains the amino acid citrulline, which helps regulate blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production. This improves blood vessel elasticity and reduces the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It also contains the amino acid arginine, which may improve blood flow. 5. Heart health benefits and powerful antioxidants. Lycopene, found in watermelon, is a compound that helps improve blood lipid levels and lower blood pressure. Antioxidants such as lycopene, beta-carotene, and vitamin C also play an important role in protecting cells and supporting heart health. 6. Weight loss and muscle soreness relief. Some studies have shown that consuming watermelon can help improve diet quality, enhance the body's ability to manage weight, and alleviate muscle soreness after exercise. The entire watermelon can be consumed, including its rind, which can be cooked or pickled, as well as its edible seeds. Who knew watermelon juice was this powerful? Start drinking it today for better health. Which benefit amazed you most? Comment below. Subscribe for more incredible health discoveries that could change your life.